Alright, this is going to be the unboxing of my Custom FX. Oh, that's dope. I think it's a mask, face mask, Babyliss face mask. This looks like one of those fanny packs. I didn't even know I was getting this stuff, so it's a surprise. And I think this is a clipper case, so that's pretty cool. I didn't know that they sent all this stuff with it. Thanks, it's really awesome. And that's my Custom FX. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, that's awesome. Very cool. Definitely a very personalized feel to this whole package. There we go. So this is my first ever Babyliss clipper. I have the trimmer, but I don't have the actual FX, so that's really cool. So I have the black graphite fade blade. I did a blue taper lever with a pink bottom, black logo, which that one kind of looks like it's hanging off a little bit, yellow housing, and black barbell grip. That was kind of hanging off there a little bit. Oh, there we go. It just snapped in. Cool. Wow, that's pretty close. They set the blade really close. It's a little bit uneven though, the way that they've positioned it. Let's see if I can get some better lighting here. That looks a bit better. Very cool. I'm excited to use this. Like I said, first Babyliss clipper. So I'm curious to see how I'll incorporate it into the lineup that I already have. I have a Custom FX power clip as well, a blue power clip coming from Tomb 45, so it should be here fairly soon, and I think that'll actually complement it pretty nice. So this is the lineup right now. It looks a little looks a little odd to have such a different color. This is my Sterling with the Eversense SPX blade. My 1919 with the Andis Master Blade. I have the bracket modified at Clean and Sharp here in Phoenix. Obviously the Babyliss cordless T-outliner, my Babyliss trimmer, Slimline Pro with the ceramic from ever since. I have power cords, or sorry, power clips for all these as well. I just like to cut without them. This is probably my favorite clipper. This is the Andis Master, but it has the Fat Master blade. And I use this on almost every haircut. And I have a ceramic blade on there, ceramic Andis Master blade. My Octanes and my Bronze Series 9, my gold edition. I love this one. Yeah, that's the setup. All my Kamisori shears. These have been awesome. Awesome shears. Full Kamisori setup. 2 thinners, 3 different cutting shears. Very expensive, but definitely worth it. See if I can give you the rest of the tour here. Just kind of a quick little video. So I'll give these a try tomorrow. I'll try and use these as much as I can while cutting. I got a full day tomorrow of appointments, so that'll be nice. Give me a good amount of hands-on. It feels, it's definitely lighter than the 1919. Definitely lighter. It's pretty comparable to the Magic, actually. It feels very comparable as far as weight is concerned. So, yeah. Thanks, Babyliss. Thanks for all the goodies. I really look forward to using this stuff, so appreciate it. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions. It came pretty quickly. I ordered it. Let's see, today's Tuesday. I think I placed the order like Tuesday or Wednesday of last week. So within a week I have it in my hand here. That's pretty quick as far as I can tell. So, thank you guys for watching.